Some buildings require permanent bracing to be installed. This provides support for wind loads or other longitudinal loads. The erector should review this requirement. On some smaller buildings, diagonal bracing is not needed for the building design, so the erector must furnish any temporary bracing needed. Check building plans to see the specific bracing requirements for your project. If required, the X bracing is metal strapping. It should always be installed as shown on the drawings that came with your building and should be properly tensioned. Note: additional bracing types may be required. Refer to plans for additional information. Congratulations on the purchase of your Mueller Value Plus building. We're confident your building will provide years of service and satisfaction. Feel free to call us at 877-2-MUELLER. Visit us on our website at muellerinc.com or come by one of our many locations across the South and Southwestern United States.